I'm packaging up an order for the last batch of this run of the denim blanks that have the different shades of denim. So I wanted to show you this, and then I'm going to show you my newest batch that I'm preparing. And these are limited runs, so I'm going to leave a link for this new run if you're interested in getting this first set. In my Shopify store, I have what I'm calling a 9-piece set of denim blanks. And the first set is dark denim. And now the newest set is the denim that I'm using dark, light, medium, and patterns in the denim. So people have really like these because they're different, and people are always looking for something different. And our tagline at Sherika Originals is that we help you make jewelry for those who are deliberately different. So I aim to do that every time I post something, every time I offer something. One of the things that makes these denim blanks different is that I'm not doing the normal shapes. I've come up with some different shapes that you can use in your creations. Another thing that you may notice about my denim blanks is it's advertised as a 9-pair set of denim blanks, but every set has more than 9 pair. In this set, we have at least 9 pair of larger pieces, and then you have several pair of smaller pieces that you can use to add to other pieces, or to make multiple pieces, or just to make small earrings. Everybody doesn't wear large earrings like I do. Now that I've had them laid out and counted, I'm packaging them up to send to my customer. I always include a thank you note, a record of their purchase, and I add an additional gift. In this package, I'm going to add 2 pairs of earrings as the gift. I use these brightly colored envelopes, and I call my packages Happy Mail, because I feel like when you go to your mailbox, among the bills and the advertisements and stuff, if you see something like this is going to be the first thing that you grab and open. So I just want it to feel happy. Okay, so I'll get this into the mailbox, and here's the newest piece that I'm getting ready to cut. I'm going to cut the shapes out of this denim piece that I prepared. In addition to the 3 shades of denim, the light, medium, and dark, I've added a batik fabric to highlight the design. Like I said, these are limited designs, so I'll have 2 sets of this design. So I'm going to leave a link in the description for a link to these if you want to go ahead and pick them up. I wanted to show you how I designed one of the sets of blanks. This one is kind of different. I'm going to add some wire to it. You could keep it simple the way I'm doing it, or you could make it fancy by adding some beads and wire to it. I've cut 2 pieces of wire, probably about 5 inches, although it turns out that this is really too much wire for this little style. But I'm making a loop on both of my pieces. Then I'm going to take both of my pieces and make a right angle in the wire. So now that I've made my right angle, I'm going to use this to make a loop. I want to make a loop because I need to have a loop on both sides of the earring. I'm attaching my wire, and so the loop goes in the hole. And now I'm just going to wrap the wire. My wire is too long to wrap it, so I'm going to have to cut it so that I can wrap it. So here it is, and once again, it's something that's different. I'm going to leave this pair in the package, so this will be one pair that's done for you. Using these blanks is really easy. All you need to do is put your ear hooks on or whatever other design you want to add to it. There'll be a link in the description if you want to pick these up. All right, good people, you know the drill. This is Sherry, owner and designer for Sherika Originals Handcrafted Gifts, where we help you create jewelry for those who are deliberately different. Give me a like, a hype, a comment, subscribe if you like this kind of video. This is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.